Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kandai Karen Mangena and I'm back again with another DIY video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this flip-flops. So how to revamp. I got this for $1.50 on the market. So yeah. Anyways, what you're going to need is your tulle, your soft knit. I used this purple one. It was just an offcut that I found. I left some at home, so I couldn't have excess. So it's basically 6 inches in terms of your width. So basically what you're gonna do is to fold your tulle, just fold it, create a circular motion fold, and then insert it underneath your flip-flops, right? And then just pull through as if you were threading. If you guys know how to crochet when you're starting, something similar like to that, yeah, is it? So now as you continue, this is just a loop that I'm showing you how neat it is. So as you continue, you begin to just create the loop, then put in your thread, your fabric, almost say thread, then you pull it through. So here it was becoming hard to pull, so I had to really try and push because, well, it was trying to fit into the end part of the flip-flop. Anyways, I managed to pull through and just pull it, and this is the pattern that it's creating. You guys can already see it, right? So you continue with this pattern so you get to the end. Like, come on, this is just lovely. Anyways, before we go any further, this video is sponsored by Dear Lady Anne. So if you do not know anything about Dear Lady Anne, she's a Christian content creator, Christian YouTuber. She makes videos on family, marriage, godly marriages, building godly houses, So she's got this mentorship program which is called the Irresistible Woman Mentorship Program, where she trains women into becoming the best version of themselves, who God has created them to be, and just gives you, she just takes you through so many things like healing, becoming a better you, deliverance, and so many other great aspects. So if you want to be part of the Irresistible Woman Mentorship Program, please do click the link below. It's my affiliate link below. So when you go there, you go through my code, you get a discount code. So just click and register there, guys. Register to that program. It will change your life. It will transform your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share on her channel. Okay, do head over to her channel as well. Do like, subscribe, share, and get to know about her. So yeah, that's just about it. So here we're just continuing the process, guys. beads, I'm gonna be using my glue gun, that sort of stuff. If you have any other glue, you can definitely use it. The glue gun is so hot, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna be in no particular order. I'm just gonna be inserting my beads, not inserting, but just sticking my beads, gluing on my beads because I just wanted to look pizzazz. But if you're a simple person and you love simplicity, I just think you can rock these flip-flops like the way they are. Okay, they look cute. So now I'm just going to be inserting the beads, sticking them on in no particular order. But just look at how already this color has been turned, into something else. Like, so brilliant. So you guys, the reason why it looks short at the end is because the fabric that I had used was just a small piece and it was a short piece that is left. So yeah, otherwise this looks really amazing. I love the look, the elegance. It's just so cute, something that I would wear going out with friends or just going to the mall. It's really cute, really flexible and very affordable. I mean, you just need glue and an old piece of fabric. So this is the final look, guys. This is the final look. Okay, I'm in love with the way it looks. I just love the way it is, like the pepperoni and the. So if you have the opportunity to buy flip-flops, please do buy black ones. I would recommend black flip-flops for this. I just bought this because they were the easiest thing available and they were very cheap. So yeah. So yeah guys, that's just about it when it comes to this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also leave a comment down below, like you guys will be subscribing and not leaving comments down below. Be watching. Comment down below, show the support, okay? Love you guys, God bless you, and keep on rocking life.